Welcome back to our channel. My name is Malcolm. I'm one of the SEO specialists here at Pro11. In this quick video, we'll be going through a topic that's related to SEO. Well, obviously, but a little bit towards the link building side, which is, as you see on your screen, what is guest posting. So, exactly what is guest posting? So let's break it down for you. So guest posting, also known as guest blogging, is a powerful SEO strategy where you can write and publish content on someone else's website, preferably with a higher domain ranking or domain authority. In return, you will get a precious backlinking to your own website. And as you know, a backlink means not the world, but almost the world in the realm of SEO, in the sense that it makes your website just a little bit more authoritative, and Google rewards that by putting you higher on search engine result pages. So the more reputable sites linking to your content, the better your website's authority in the eyes of search engines such as Google, Bing, TikTok, and so on. Awesome. So guest posting is authoritative, or guest posting on authoritative sites exposes your brand to a broader audience, driving more traffic to your website as well. So it's just a win-win establishment, and as well as it builds or establish authority to your niche. So by contributing valuable content to the industry that you're in, you'll position yourself to be as an expert in that field. So as you write blog posts as well, something that you want to highlight is the EEAT. I'll leave that description down below what that means. I don't want to be a little bit off. Awesome. And what also guest building does, it boosts organic search rankings. So search engines recognize your website as growing authority and relevance, or organic search will improve. Yes. So how to get started? How to get started. Let's talk about that. So this is some practical tips on how you can do guest posting on your website. So you want to choose reputable sites, preferably, as I mentioned before, the ones that have good domain authority, good domain ranking, and that is relevant to your niche and industry. Awesome. The next thing that you want to do is craft understandable or easy to understandable content on your website. So you want to ensure that your guest post is well researched, informative, and adds value to the host site audience. So that is another tip. And the next tip is include relevant links. So strategically insert links back to your own content within the guest post, enhancing its SEO value. So those are just some key tips on how to do guest posting and what guest posting is and how it helps your business. As you know, we release videos that explain niches or topics on a daily. So do please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any tips that can help your business to grow. Stalk us at prolemon.com. Till next video. Bye.